are in chord world! Now we learn 2 more chords.
I think we can manage that. In fact, as I said in the introduction, today we begin studying the minor chords.
Okay, I'm ready. Wait, what are minor chords?
Do you want the very technical answer? Or the good for now answer?
All right. I go for the good for now answer.
Okay, of course later, when we will reach the point of no return in our voyage from zero to hero,
You'll tell me more. Got it.
now let's play an A chord.
Here it is.
The sound is bright, incisive. Can we say happy?
Yes, we can.
Good. Now let's transform the same chord into a pensive, reflexive, melancholy sound.
How do you do that?
First fret, 4th finger on 2nd string. 2nd fret, middle finger on 4th string. And ring finger on the 3rd.
Oh, that sounds sad.
That's an A minor. Its symbol is a capital A followed by a small m, like this. Now, let's try with an E chord.
Yes, definitely happy. How do I play an E minor?
Easy. 2nd fret, 4th finger on the 5th string. Middle finger on 4th.
That's it?
That's it.
Great. Let me try them one after other. A minor. E minor.